Mangalore, all the theaters are so expensive. It was a random plan. We are going to Kasaragod, just exploring the streets, guys. Cheers. Cheers. Speechless. Must watch. October we got April Fool. Bye bye. Guys, just for Kantara, we are going to Kasaragod now. In Mangalore, all the theaters are so expensive that we decided we'll go for Kasaragod. And me, Charit, Dheeraj, and Adi. Idalla. Okay. This is the one. This is the place. Tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, we have the train. Through that, we'll reach Kasaragod, and from there, we'll go to the theater.
The next morning.
So good morning, everyone. So, in Bangalore, Kantara ticket price is 360, 370 or something. Okay, I'm talking about the mid one. Recliner is somewhere around 800, nearly 800. So, what we decided, we will go to Kasaragod just to watch Kantara. Their ticket price is 130, 150, somewhere around in that, below 200. So, now I'm going to Kasaragod. Not to bike, I'll park my bike near railway station and from there catch a train and we'll go to Kasaragod. We have already booked the tickets. It costed somewhere around 130 and with convenience somewhere around 150 rupees. Yeah, it was a random plan. We thought something else and like now we are going to Kasaragod just to watch one movie.
A few moments later.
Literally, we don't know where General is. ये पूरा train एक ही दिख रहा है हमको. We literally went and asked the driver itself, where is the General section? सही है guys, सही है. So from Mangalore, me and Adi, we both are going, and on the Charit will get into the train, and then Dheeraj will join us. हम साथ हैं. बाय बाय. वो उस तरफ जा रहे हैं, हम इस तरफ जा रहे हैं. Netravati. As this is the lifeline of Mangalore. Netravati. Wow! I just got a video. I was recording that river and someone threw a garbage bag into the river. No? Oh, boys! Everyone. Bro is white. Bro, color transformation started. What reason?
To watch Kantara movie because we are crazy.
We are crazy people.
Going to another state.
Another
Because in
state.
our state there is no vacancy.
In our state, too expensive, guys.
Too expensive.
Siddaramaiah, do something. This is we are going to another state to watch movie.
And the bill will be passed. So
Bill will be passed. Bill is
200 crossed, then
Ah.
we'll get refund.
yes.
So we need to keep all the tickets.
We need to keep all the tickets. Yes. This is what people do, guys, just to save 100 rupees. 100 rupees.
Oh, okay.
ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನ. ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಈಗ. ಹಾಂ. ಎಸ್. ಸೇ.
I am not traveling because I am poor. I am traveling because you guys are poor.
We didn't say you are poor, bro. We didn't say. Did we say?
You are the richest guy. So save ticket
Yesterday also I said he is the richest person in Kerala. If someone wants to kidnap him, you can.
I am not, but I am trying to be.
You are trying to be.
I want to be richest
Yes.
Malayali Vindava. We will support you.
We support you, bro.
Arrive shortly on platform number 2.
So finally we reached Kasaragod, guys. Hi, Jatandre. क्यों आए हैं? एक मूवी देखने के लिए. कहाँ से? मैंगलोर से.
A few moments later.
We were actually walking by and we saw this entrance. We didn't like just let's get inside and bro, this temple idol is so pretty. It's a Venkatramana temple and worth ka. Unexpectedly we came. That's the entrance and I didn't shoot anything inside but possible I'll tag the location. And one more guy, guys.
He is in his delusional world.
He is in Delulu. He's living in Delulu.
Track money.
Yeah, it's a train time. See, we were walking and we saw this entrance, okay? We're like, let's go and see how it is. And worth it. Nice. Now let's go for a tea. Breakfast. We are literally exploring the streets, guys. We are walking. We are walking from half an hour. And that guy. Actually, if you walk, you'll get to know more. Like, it's kind of new for us. We don't know the places, so walking, we're getting to know new things. What and all things are there, how people are. It's nice. If you want to know a place properly, just walk. Just walk and walk and walk and walk. Don't use your bike or something. Park it somewhere and walk. You'll get to know many things. English it pan. Yeah.
First set one. Start one. Walking also has one more advantage. The thing is, if you are moving fast, then you might also miss out some of the aromas coming from the nearby food places which are situated around your
Surrounding.
your space.
Yeah.
So I think if you walk, then I think there is also an advantage that you can experience the aromas.
Around you.
Yeah, around you.
You'll get to know many things.
Yeah.
You know,
so there
one
is a
thing-
lot of things, like lot of advantages from walking.
Yeah. You can properly observe how people are, how things are.
Yeah.
But if you are in bike, you just see the road and you'll know the destination. Just
Yeah,
go there.
because your full focus will only be on
Riding. Yeah.
Yeah,
While walking, you
so-
can observe everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, Charitu. Guys, we have one kid with us. This temple, no, like 7-8 years back I visited when the Brahma Kalash happened of this came. After that, I'm coming right now. Mallikarjuna. I was hungry, guys. Forgot to record.
Sada dosa
We came
with cutlet.
to a restaurant near temple only to have our breakfast. Second breakfast actually. Guys, just for the recording purpose, we are recreating this.
Cheers.
Cheers. Kattan chayam, guys. Kattan chayam. Adi, how is it? What's your breakfast?
Really good.
Really good.
If you come here, you need to taste this sada dosa with the katla combination. It's really good.
We discovered so many new combinations, guys. Dosa with Maggi, dosa with gulab jamun, dosa with gobi manchuri, dosa with banana podi,
Parota with banana podi.
parota with banana podi.
Deep banana podi. Roll it and eat.
We are going to hell, guys. Guys, we had our breakfast. Okay, now we are just walking in Kasaragod without any destination. We don't even know. We are not even checking the map. We are just walking. Oh, highway tha. We are about to reach highway. This is what happens when you have plenty of time and have nothing to do. We are just walking. I think we stumbled upon some. I thought it's a rice field, but no, man, it's not a rice field. Yes. This is a natural habitat, guys. You know, you should to be closer to the nature. That's why. ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That is too close, guys. This is enough. This is enough. See, guys. Guys, so we are tired of walking. So we came to the sugarcane shop. So Konkani supremacy, guys. We thought it's a Malayali shop, but now Aditya is talking. Everywhere he gets someone to talk. ಅವ ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಈಗ 100% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ. ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಮಸಿ. Yes, now we are going for lunch. Just half an hour before we had our breakfast, but now we are going for lunch. We just found one. We found one coffee house somewhere here only, and now we are searching for that. Hopefully that is nice. We don't know. Have to see. So now we are walking down the streets. Full undu. Nodirvega. Adi 10 रुपए डाल के 100 मिलेगा. 100 करोड़ मिलेंगे. 100 करोड़.
ಮೂವಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ಇವೊಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಒಂದು ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೂಪ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಹೊಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಹೌದು. ಅನ್ಸರಿ please. We don't know. Sir, have to see how it is. Guys, just check out this water, okay? Guys, for that outfit only we will give one extra. This is water, bro.
Bro, this is a chemistry lab. Then we put that
HCl solution in titration.
Final solution color should be same as
Guys,
this.
I think the owner is very good in chemistry and he is able to get that proper.
Hey, Multoja.
Okay, Mool pink or
He is our
Heisenberg. Guys, this hotel belongs to Heisenberg.
Same
I name.
Water every
लास्ट दिन चाहिँ भगवान बोन्डाको सब्सक्राइब हान्न सक्छौँ
Malkochi guys.
Read, yeah, this one.
So, Karingali water. This specific water is called as Karingali water. This is a traditional Kerala herbal. And so yesterday, if you are drunk, then I think this is the best.
I am not drunk.
This is the best recovery.
Guys, we didn't know we had to. It's a pre-order. We have to make the bill before only. That we didn't know. We are waiting from 10 minutes like a stupid people. We are sitting here.
So our only mistake.
Yeah, it's our mistake. We didn't know. We didn't know. They should put some kind of sign, man.
Okay guys, biryani. We ordered a biryani. And within 30 minutes we have to reach the theatre also. Not even 30 minutes, less than that.
A few moments later.
Guys, movie just got over now and oh, it's a goosebump movie. Like speechless. All of us are stuck. These people are watching twice, but still second time. It's the way he directed. No, it's awesome. Seriously, if you haven't watched, man, you're losing something. Must watch. Each and every scenes, like the effort that he put into it, no, the perfection, like, and the research they have done, dude, like crazy time, dude, I conquer that. Yeah, so we reached back to the railway station. We are going back through train only. So me, Aditya and Charita. Dheeraj, he will catch a bus and he'll go back to his home. It's like half an hour from here. So we are going back to Mangalore. He went back to home. Yes, but movie wise, there is no second thought only, man. We were discussing that only from that time. From half an hour we were discussing the same thing, like each and every details that he added. Just on another level. So we'll take a ticket and we'll go.
Aula 30 away, Aula same ticket Manjeshwar same.
Mangalore Central,
No, Mangalore Central.
Manjeshwar Jan, Jattunad. Yeah. Either to the train? Mangalore going to have a heavy rainfall within 1 hour. That side it's clear, but towards Mangalore it looks like some horror movie scene. Dude, literally it's I have so many clothes to wash, man. Boys, how was your experience? That's it. I said.
So this is my second time, and I knew that the first time was not enough. So still I want to. If anybody calls, then I'm ready to watch again because I think 2 times also I think experience was worth it.
Worth it,
Every
yeah.
moment was like goosebumps.
Yeah,
And,
definitely.
Next level direction, story was excellent.
Excellent. Yeah, the way they showed us the culture and all, no, and the detailing that they have done. Yeah, it's excellent.
Like learned like a lot of new things.
Yeah. And VFX also like top notch. That was actually nice. Worth watching, guys. We reached back and it is raining, guys. So overall it was a nice experience and that was the end of this vlog. Bye guys.
Bye. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye guys. Guys, scene हो गया. October we got April Fool. This train doesn't go to Central, but we got a ticket for Central. Okay, here it says Mangalore Central, but now we are in Mangalore Junction. From here, Central is almost 20 minutes in bus. Seriously, bro, that guy who gave us ticket, he is like, no, this will go to Central. This will go to Central. Sav. Stuck in Junction now. Man. From here we have to catch an auto, then catch a bus, and from there I have to go to station and I have to collect my bike. My bike is there, man. Someone is watching from railway now. Just make sure these people know everything properly, okay? They'll tell something to us and we don't have any other option other than believing them. And moreover, no, that guy said there is a stop for Manjeshwara. There was no stop for Manjeshwara. This guy's in Mangalore. Yeah, he knew that, but whatever. But we are stuck now. Nice experience. What else I can say? Now, for that auto we paid 55 rupees, and from here again we have to pay for that bus, and then I have to walk for 5 more minutes to get my bike back. We got Puttur State Bank bus stand. Now from here we'll go to State Bank. From there these people will go on their way, and I'll collect my bike and I'll go back to beach. And this is nice after a long time. Again in bus. Welcome to Pampwell. ಕಲಶ ಕಲಶ ಎತ್ತದಿ ರೈತ ಬೇಲೆ ಒಂದುಂಡು. चलो गाइस, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं मंडे को. मंडे. Yeah, finally we reached. This is where I was supposed to reach. हम जाएंगे गाइस.